Hey guys, welcome to a new video and a new photo recreation. You guys have been sending me photos of historical figures who look like me, and I absolutely love it. How can there be so many people in history who look like me? Honestly, I think it all just has to do with being a certain type. I mean, I know there are people alive right now that are this type. I run into them sometimes. You guys often tell me I look like these people, actresses and actors, things like that. But yeah, there have been people who look like that, with that type of face all throughout history apparently as well, which is really cool and really amazing. So today I wanted to have a go at this photo right here, which means that yes, I am going to be bringing Robert into this one. He has agreed to do this with me. It is super hot today. I think we are supposed to hit like 40 degrees. So we'll have to see how we manage or survive to take this photo outside today, especially since the man is in a sweater. So that's number one. We're gonna have to find a way to make this safe. Second thing, this photo is a color photo, which makes it just that little bit more difficult. Luckily, I have dark hair, Robert's blonde, so we're good on that. But the color of the dress, I'm not going to be able to match that. I do have a dress that is pretty similar to this, but it is a light blue. So I think we're just going to go with a light blue theme for our photo. So it's going to be, you know, as similar as possible still, but with blue instead of red. So hopefully that's okay. I'm just going to start by doing my own hair and makeup. I'm kind of tempted to just not do my makeup at all because she doesn't really seem to be wearing a lot of makeup. The caption to this photo said that it was 60s, which it looks like kind of late 50s, early 60s to me, so I think that's definitely possible. So I think I'm just gonna focus on the hair here. I don't think I have a piece of gingham fabric that I could use that is kind of the same as the dress that I have. So I'm afraid I'm gonna have to go for like a white ribbon or something like that. Something that will match the dress but isn't exactly the same fabric. Okay, I think it pretty much just comes down to a chignon on the crown of her head. I'm gonna just pull my hair up. Her hair seems to just be pulled straight back. Just gonna loosen this up a tiny little bit. Alright, and now for the chignon. Just gonna fold the hair under, and I think I'm actually going to just pull it through that hair elastic that I already have here. That's the easiest way to do something like that. And now for the ribbon, I found this piece of white ribbon. So just gonna wrap that around. I think that is pretty good. I'm gonna just hairspray all of this so that it stays and it doesn't all get all frizzy from the heat and humidity. And then it's time to pick out the outfit. Mine and Robert's. Here is my outfit. It's a dress that's pretty similar to the one in the photo. Obviously the color and pattern are a little bit different, but I feel like this is close enough. And then Robert's outfit, a white blouse. We're gonna go for a blue sweater because he doesn't have any white, and then some light colored trousers. And this is either gonna be the best or the absolute worst. Can't wait to do this. Let's go! Okay, time to pick out the photo and do all the editing. I have the side by side here. We struggled with a few things, and one of them was actually getting the shutter to click. I was holding a remote in my hand and it wouldn't always work. So you can see a lot of grumpy faces on the photos, but I'm gonna try and find the one that's best. I think I'm gonna go with this one. So obviously there is a lot of editing still to be done. I love this so much. Okay, let's pull it up in my editing software. My free online editing website that I use. Okay, I think I'm gonna crop it first. So the temperature needs to go up for sure. Bit more shadow because this is quite a dark picture. Maybe a bit more highlight as well. Just up the contrast a bit. Yeah, I think there's actually not that much to change about this one when it comes to the editing process. Okay, so I think I'm just gonna send this to my phone, use some of my editing apps on my phone to add like a little bit of grit and things like that, just simple little adjustments. And I think that's it, guys. So here is the final result, guys. I am actually really happy with how this one turned out. It is definitely not perfect. The angle isn't completely right. The fence is a little bit too high, but this was the best one we could find. The background isn't perfect either, but considering we used all things we had, like either just lying around or right around the corner for the setting and everything, and the fact that it was the hottest day in 75 years, literally, I think we did a pretty good job. I didn't want to stand around in the scorching sun for too long, so we did it pretty quickly. And of course we didn't have anyone there to direct us as to the poses and things like that. I am really surprised by how good this turned out. I am so happy with this, and not just with the side-by-side comparison, but I just love this photo in general. And I'm pretty sure this is gonna be one that I print out and place somewhere around the house just because I love this so much. Yeah, it was a little bit of a different one this time, guys. I really hope you enjoyed watching me recreate another photo. Massive thank you to the person who sent me this photo through Instagram, saying that the girl looked like me. She totally does. It's pretty incredible. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for loads more beauty and lifestyle content. If you'd like to support me through Patreon or my merch store, there'll be links in the description box below. Thank you so much for your support. There is another video here that I think you might also enjoy. You can go watch next. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you very soon in my next video.